This is the elevator at Center Tower Apartments in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a completely original black button Westinghouse elevator from the 1950s. Westinghouse and Westinghouse governor plate. Welcome to 6. And here you go. The door operator's been replaced with GAL. Here are the relays. You're at 6. That's definitely JL. Going back to the lobby, which is labeled basement on the indicator, which is weird. There's your motor generator light, it's on. Case fired in Knox elevators, there's a certificate. Basic fingerprint cab. I do like the tree lighting. Completely original besides from the door equipment, it seems like. You're back at lobby. There, closes not to me.